Does natural skincare actually work? Listen, natural skincare is not everybody's cup of tea. I get that. But as a dermatologist and as a YouTube educator, I really have to know about natural skincare, and it's definitely the answer for some people. So in this video, I am going to be telling you the pros and cons of natural skincare as I do my own morning and nighttime routine using all of my holy grail natural skincare products. If you are interested in trying this category of products out, actually everything I'm using is 20% off right now for just a limited time, and they're linked in the description. So does natural skincare work? Here's my hot take. Maybe not all dermatologists will agree with me, but from my personal experience, yes, natural skincare absolutely works. There's plenty of science behind these natural ingredients in skincare products that prove they work. However, do I think natural skincare is better than conventional or synthetic skincare with ingredients that are made in a lab? No, I do not. And actually, I think that conventional skincare may have the most potential for drastic results on your skin, but potentially greater side effects as well. Synthetic ingredients are actually more studied than natural skincare ingredients, so there really is a greater body of evidence behind these ingredients, which is probably why most dermatologists feel comfortable recommending that category only. But the natural forms actually can make a big difference on your skin. So head to head, which is better, a natural form or a synthetic form of that ingredient? Well, both are going to have their pros and cons. At the end of the day, you might respond better to the natural product while somebody else responds better to the other category. So as a dermatologist and a skincare expert, I really have to know about natural skincare. So over the years, I have done my research. I've tried so many products, and I feel confident saying that yes, natural skincare can work. So I'm about to get into my routine to show you my holy grails. But before I do that, hit subscribe on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. As the budget dermatologist, I always try to keep it simple for you and show you affordable solutions that actually work. And come say hi on Instagram and TikTok at the budget dermatologist. First, I'm starting with this cleanser / mask to polish my skin. Every product in this routine is by 3 Ships, which is my preferred natural beauty brand, and everything actually right now is 20% off for a limited time. So these are all linked below. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and spread a very thin layer around the face. These products in this brand actually almost never go on sale. So this sale is very rare because these products are priced extremely reasonably. I think almost every product is under $40 baseline. So right now 20% off is kind of a big deal. Once I get this all rubbed in evenly, I'm going to leave this on my skin for just about 5 minutes. You can actually just use this as a cleanser and rinse it off immediately, but I'm gonna get a little more heavy lifting out of it by doing it as a mask. So this is actually one of the only physical exfoliants I approve of and will use in my routine because there is the most superfine texture in this scrub, which is so rare because a lot of these physical exfoliant scrubs from other brands have such harsh and abrasive textures in them, but this one is so fine that it literally polishes the skin. It just removes that dead layer of skin cells and it does not mess up your skin barrier. So I am in love with this specific product from 3 Ships. Okay, so the mask is on. This is the Superfruit Exfoliating Mask. I'm gonna let it do its magic over the next few minutes while I tell you what exactly I mean when I say natural skincare. We need to make sure we are on the same page here. So natural skincare typically refers to skincare products that are made from ingredients sourced from nature like plants and minerals while minimizing synthetic chemicals in these products. These products are also often emphasized as being organic, sustainably sourced, and free from additives like parabens, sulfates, artificial fragrances, and other dyes. And the idea behind natural skincare is that this is for people who really want to tap into the benefits of these natural substances from our earth to nourish, protect, and repair our skin. And they really just consider this a more holistic approach to skincare that's kinder to your skin and the environment. My favorite example of a natural skincare ingredient, I'm gonna actually show you a product in a minute, but it's Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is a plant plant-based retinol alternative. It is extracted from the seeds of the Bakuchiol plant, and it offers many of the same benefits as a retinoid, but with a much more gentle approach. So you're gonna see those same benefits like collagen boosting and smoothing out of your fine lines and wrinkles, but again, with far less side effects. Okay, I'm starting to feel the tingle from this mask, which is good. What makes this natural? This has lactic acid in it, and it also has a fruit-based AHA or alpha hydroxy acid blend and rice powder. Okay, now before I rinse this off, I want to make sure you understand that natural is really not a regulated term in many countries. So the definition can vary between products and between brands. And also, natural does not automatically mean safe. Let me repeat that. Natural does not mean safe or safer than synthetic. You have to do your research, you guys, on all of these skincare brands, especially natural skincare brands, to see how they source their products, what their mission is on sustainability, the brand's ethics, and how they test their products. You really do not want to fall for brands that are using greenwashing as marketing tactics. Okay, I rinsed the mask off. My skin is polished and so smooth. I am obsessed with that product. Step 2, we're going in with our vitamin C eye cream. This is called the First Light Vitamin C plus Caffeine eye cream, and it has this nice ceramic tip. So what makes this product natural is that instead of synthetic L-ascorbic acid, this uses the L-ascorbic acid from the acerola cherry, which is more potent than many other fruits found in nature. So I am just going to gently massage this in to the under eyes. This is actually great to use in the morning as well. Next, I'm going in with my favorite anti-aging wrinkle treatment from 3 Ships. It is the Skin Hero. If you can only get one natural skincare product, it is this one. I'm gonna link this below. It actually keeps selling out, but I think it's in stock now. So I'm just gonna put a little of this dabbed over the face. What makes this natural is that this contains Bakuchiol as the retinol alternative. And this is my absolute favorite Bakuchiol product of all of the ones I've tried because it has 2% Bakuchiol in it, which is actually a really high percentage compared to many of the other options on the market. And I have never gotten any irritation from this product. So that is it, just a small layer of this serum over the face. Now there is actually another night serum that I recommend on nights where you take a break from your retinol or retinol alternative products. It's this one, the Replenish Barrier Serum. What makes this one natural is that it uses natural sources to restore the skin barrier and your lipid layer. So it has blueberry seed oil, ceramides, and prickly pear oil. Now let's finish off this nighttime routine with your night cream to moisturize and set everything in. I am using the Dream Bio-retinol night cream. Comes in this nice pump top container. You just need, oh, this is almost gone. You just need a little bit of it and put a thin layer over the skin. What makes this natural is this contains bio-retinol. Again, instead of the synthetic form of the retinol, and the texture of this is so nourishing and amazing. I love the Dream night cream from 3 Ships, and that's it for the nighttime routine. Then in the morning, you can go right back in with your vitamin C eye cream, or you can do these under eye masks called Brighter Days. What's really cool about these is they can depuff and brighten the under eyes, but then you just dissolve them in warm water and they rinse down the sink. So let me show you what these are like to apply. So here's the first one. You can put these on either way and do it like this. Here's one. And the next one, because these are biodegradable completely, they do have a much different texture than traditional eye masks. So here are the eye masks. You can leave these on for just a few minutes to depuff and brighten the under eyes. What makes these natural is that these contain red algae, avocado extract, and glycerin to do its job. Okay, so now you just put these in warm water and these will dissolve and go right down the sink. Okay, next I apply my hydrating serum. This is such a cool product. This is a natural version of your hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum kind of all in one. This is called Dewdrops. And what makes this natural is that the hyaluronic acid in this is derived from the tremella mushroom. And then it has added plum that contains a powerful vitamin C that is 100 times richer than vitamin C in oranges. So this is like your hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum all in one. The texture and the slip of this over the skin is so unique. I always look forward to using this product in my routine. So that's the Dewdrops. And last up, let's follow it up with this face and neck cream called the Firm Believer, also in a nice pump top. What makes this natural is that this has stem cell extracts in it, like goji berry. I'll list the other ones here, and it even has pomegranate extract in it. So I use just a little bit, goes a long way, and then extra pump to make sure we get it all down the neck. I really like to use this one in the morning because it is a little more lightweight than the night cream that I use, the Dream. So I can even put makeup right over this and feel like it's not too heavy on my skin. And again, the key with this and many skincare products is really don't overdo it. You don't need a ton, just a thin layer. A little bit extra here to really cover the neck completely. And that is the Firm Believer. And then of course you'll add your favorite SPF and you are good to go. So check out some of these natural skincare products. You can mix and match these. You can rotate these into your routine to see if they're right for you. So this brand, 3Ships, makes such quality natural skincare products all at an affordable price. Almost every single product is under $40. Right now, 20% off for a limited time. But if you are watching this after the sale, these are still priced so competitively. That is very rare. So I have every one of these linked below. My skin feels so amazing right now. I do not even want to put any makeup over it. You guys, 3Ships is amazing. If you have other natural skincare brands or products you love, comment below so we can continue to learn from each other. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Come say hi on Instagram and TikTok at The Budget Dermatologist. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.